There's been a lot of talk about bringing the Bible back to the forefront of USA. This isn't just a fleeting trend or a nostalgic yearning for the past. It's a profound movement that seeks to reconnect us with the core values and principles that have guided generations before us. This call resonates deeply with me. It stirs something within, a reminder of the strength and comfort that the Scriptures have always provided. It speaks to a longing for something greater than ourselves. In a world filled with chaos and uncertainty, the Bible offers a beacon of hope and a sense of purpose. We need that today more than ever. Our communities are yearning for unity, compassion, and understanding, all of which are deeply rooted in biblical teachings. The Bible is not just an ancient text. It's a timeless treasure trove of wisdom that has shaped civilizations and inspired countless individuals. It's a living, breathing guidebook for life. Each passage, each verse, holds a lesson, a story, or a promise that can transform our lives. It's filled with wisdom, hope, and promises that are just as relevant today as they were thousands of years ago. These timeless truths can help us navigate the complexities of modern life. We can all benefit from its message. Whether young or old, the Bible speaks to every generation, offering guidance and inspiration. Now is the time to return to the foundations of faith, to rebuild our lives and communities on the solid rock of biblical principles. Let's rediscover the power and beauty of God's Word. Let's delve into its pages and let its teachings illuminate our paths. Let's open our hearts and minds to its timeless truths. Embrace the wisdom it offers, and let it guide us towards a brighter, more hopeful future. The role of faith in public life has shifted over the years, evolving with societal changes and cultural dynamics. We see differing views on how faith should be expressed, with some advocating for a more private practice, while others believe in a public demonstration of their beliefs. But one thing remains constant. Our relationship with God is personal, a sacred bond that transcends public opinion and societal norms. It's easy to get caught up in the debates and divisions, especially when emotions run high and perspectives clash. But we must remember that faith begins in the heart, nurtured by our personal experiences and inner reflections. It's about our individual connection with the divine, a journey that is unique to each one of us. Let's approach these conversations with grace and understanding, recognizing that everyone's faith journey is different. Let's share our faith with love and respect, fostering an environment where diverse beliefs can coexist harmoniously. Let's build bridges of unity instead of walls of division, creating a community where faith can thrive in the public square. 2 Chronicles chapter 7 verse 14 says, "If my people who are called by my name will humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven, and I will forgive their sin and will heal their land." This promise from God is a testament to His boundless mercy and love. These words are as powerful today as they were when they were first written. Humility is key. It is the foundation upon which our relationship with God is built. When we humble ourselves before God, we acknowledge our need for Him. We recognize that we cannot navigate life's challenges alone. Prayer is our lifeline to the divine. It is through prayer that we communicate with God, sharing our deepest fears, hopes, and dreams. It's through prayer that we seek God's guidance, strength, and forgiveness. In moments of despair, prayer provides comfort and solace. Let's make prayer a priority in our lives. By doing so, we open our hearts to God's presence and allow His grace to transform us. Section 4. Living the Word. Bringing the Bible back isn't just about displaying it, it's about living it. It's about taking the words and teachings and applying them to our daily lives. Every day we have opportunities to show God's love. We can be kind to strangers. We can forgive those who have wronged us. We can stand up for what is right. Our actions speak louder than words. When we live out the principles of the Bible, we become living examples of God's love and grace. Section 5. An eternal message. The Bible's message is timeless. It speaks of hope, love, justice, and transformation. These themes resonate with people from all walks of life. No matter what challenges we face, we can find solace in the Scriptures. The Bible offers guidance, comfort, and the assurance of God's unwavering love. Let's embrace the eternal truths found in the Bible. Let's share its message of hope and love with the world. Let's be beacons of light in a sometimes dark world.